Hey, so I'm out here in Yadkinville, North Carolina. Customer's having a little leaking issue with a roof done about 6-7 years ago. And this is the kind of stuff you see and you just go, what in the world were they thinking installing this? Look, so here's a nice, I guess this is weathered wood. I'm not sure the brand at the moment, but bam. Looks like a moire black 3-tab shingle for the ridge vent that they installed with a weatherwood shingle, and they stuck a black ridge cap on. What and how did somebody get by with that? This whole house, they didn't even use the accessory ridge, and they got ridge vent and 4 750 vents. Probably reused the old lead pipe boots that were on here when they first installed it. 4 750s in ridge vent. Oh, the things you see.